Hello. The herbal formula Free and Easy Wanderer has been used for centuries to promote an overall feeling of well-being, help balance hormones, support alertness, and mental clarity. In traditional herbal medicine, the name of the formula often describes its most pronounced effect. Free and Easy Wanderer refers to how a 10-year-old child feels on a sunny day without a care in the world. Free and Easy Wanderer is very popular, and once you give it a try, you'll understand why. Free and Easy Wanderer is a blend of 7 herbs. Bupleurum Root, traditionally used to promote an overall feeling of well-being. White Peony Root, traditionally used to support muscle relaxation. Angel Root, traditionally used to help balance hormones. Peony Mushroom, traditionally used to ease the effects of temporary stress and tension. Largehead Atractilodes, traditionally used to support the body's natural inflammatory response function as it relates to periodic challenges like strenuous exercise. Fresh Ginger Root, traditionally used to support healthy joints. Licorice Root, used for thousands of years to help ease the effects of everyday stress and tension. And Peppermint Leaf, traditionally used to promote alertness and mental clarity. Our Free and Easy Wanderer is in liquid form because liquid herbal formulas tend to have better bioavailability than tablets or capsules. Free and Easy Wanderer is usually taken straight, but can be mixed with a couple of ounces of water or juice. Our formula is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered facility certified as following the FDA's good manufacturing practices. It is recommended that you take 3 dropperfuls of Free and Easy Wanderer 3 times a day for the first 30 days for fast results, and then take as needed thereafter. A dropperful is the amount of fluid that is squeezed into the tube when the bulb is squeezed and released. It will fill the tube a little bit more than a third of the way. I put a link below for more information about Free and Easy Wanderer. Thank you for listening. Till next time, this is Dr. Barrett signing off, yours for health naturally.